Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, where we untangle the knots of English grammar and turn them into fun conversations. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, friends. I am being happy today. I am liking the studio. I am wanting a coffee.
Uh-oh, Rahul, stop right there.
What? What is wrong? I am speaking English.
You are speaking English, but you sound a bit strange. I am being happy. I am wanting a coffee.
Yes, it is happening now, so I use ing, right? Ing is for now.
Not exactly, and that is why today's topic is perfect for you. Today, we're talking about how to learn the present tense.
The present tense, but that is easy. It is just things that are real.
It seems easy, but it's actually tricky. There are two main types we mix up, present simple and present continuous.
Simple and continuous. They sound like wrestling moves, the continuous crusher.
Kind of. And if you don't use them correctly, the grammar will crush you.
Okay, save me, Emma. But first, let's ask our listeners for help.
Yes, if you want to fix your grammar mistakes and laugh with us, please subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And click the like button right now. See, I used right now correctly.
Yes, you did. And share this with a friend who always says, I am knowing.
Okay, teach me. Why was I am wanting a coffee wrong?
Because want is a feeling, not an action. We use present simple for feelings, facts, and habits. So you say, I want a coffee.
I want a coffee. Okay, what about I am being happy?
No, you just say, I am happy. That's a fact.
Okay, so present simple is for facts, like Raul is handsome.
Exactly, that's a fact. Well, maybe an opinion, but grammatically correct.
And what about habits, things I do every day?
For habits, we also use present simple. Imagine you're a robot.
A robot. I eat breakfast.
Yes, perfect. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I brush my teeth.
So I don't say I am brushing my teeth every day.
No, if you say I am brushing my teeth, it means you're doing it right now with a toothbrush in your mouth.
Hello, Emma. I am brushing my teeth.
Exactly. If you don't have a toothbrush in your mouth, don't use ing for habits.
Okay, so robot Raul, I drive a car. Action Raul, I am driving a car.
Boom, you got it. Present continuous, am is are plus ing is for action happening right now.
Okay, I have a test for you, Emma. Look at me. What am I doing? Raul waves his hands in the air.
You are waving your hands.
Correct. Now, Raul sits very still. What do I do?
You sit. No, wait, you are sitting.
Aha! But I sit on this chair every episode.
True, but right now the action is happening, so you are sitting.
English is crazy.
It is, but there's one big rule that everyone forgets, the super S.
The super S, is that a superhero?
It's the S at the end of the verb, when we talk about he, she, or it in the present simple.
Oh, I know this. He walk.
Wrong.
He walks?
Yes, he walks. She talks. It rains. The dog barks.
Why? Why do we need the S?
Nobody knows. It just likes to hang out with he, she, and it.
Okay, so I eat pizza, but Emma eats pizza.
Correct. I sleep, but the cat sleeps.
You're a genius. But wait, what about they? They sleeps?
No, they is plural. No super S for they. They sleep.
Oh my God, the S is very picky. It only likes he, she, and it. It's a snobby letter.
Yes, the S is a VIP member only for he, she, and it.
Okay, I think I understand. Can I try to describe my daily routine?
Go ahead, use present simple, robot mode.
Okay, clears throat. I wake up. I drink tea. I come to the studio. Emma yells at me.
Hey, I do not yell, I teach.
See? Emma teaches. I used the super S.
Excellent. And what are you doing right now?
Right now, I am sitting, I am talking, and I am learning.
Perfect. You mastered it.
And I am wanting... No, wait. I want a donut.
You cured yourself. No more I am wanting.
It sounds so much better. I feel like an Englishman. I want a donut, please.
Very fancy. Let's do a quick recap so our listeners don't get dizzy.
Yes, let's review the rules of the game.
Rule number 1. For habits, facts, and routines, use present simple. Think like a robot. I go, I play, I work.
Rule number 2, for things happening right now, use present continuous. Use am, is, are plus ing. I am speaking, you are listening.
Rule number 3, don't use ing for feelings or states like want, know, or like. Don't say I am liking you, say I like you.
Rule number 4, the super S. If it's he, she, or it, you must add an S. He runs, she sings, the Godzilla destroys.
Perfect examples, Rahul, especially Godzilla.
I try my best.
Well, before we go and practice our S sounds, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your routine. In the comments below, please tell us what is one thing you do every day.
Remember, use the robot mode, present simple. Do you drink coffee? Do you run? Do you play games?
Right, I play games, not I am playing games. Show us you learned the lesson.
We check your grammar in the comments.
So please
I'm
write a
walking
comment
here.
and remember to subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Give us a thumbs up if you're liking, if you like this video.
You made a mistake.
Even teachers make mistakes. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. I am waving my hand.